What is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Jeannide, and today we are going to do a back to school everyday look, something real cute and simple, something that's gonna be less than 30 minutes long, because you know ain't nobody got no time to be spending an hour doing makeup just to look super cute. If you want to, well, I was one of them females who was like always, well, not always late to class, but whenever I felt like put on makeup, I most of the time I would be late to class by a little bit, by like maybe 5-10 minutes. One time I spent like an hour and a half doing my makeup and doing the most, and I almost missed the whole class period because I was doing a friggin' cut crease. I was doing the most. But today we're gonna do something real simple that will not make you late to class. Something real simple, something that's gonna take about 30 minutes or less to do. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and let's get on to the video. Actually, when I was in school, I don't think I did the most of my eyebrows. Did I ever really do my eyebrows? Now when I think about it. Oh, I mean, I brushed them. Yeah, I did do my eyebrows. I brushed them a bit. I didn't do the most. Yo, like seriously, what I'm about to be doing in this video is something I should have done for most of my school days. Cause honestly, I didn't wear makeup every day to school. I would wear makeup 2 or 3 times a week, and I would do the most. Like foundation, concealer, loose powder, everything. I would do everything, and then do like, some days my eyes were complicated. Like I would try doing a little cut crease. I would do, well, smoky eyes are not that complicated, but I would do smoky eyes. I would do cut creases. Like I was really doing the most when I was in school. Like whenever I did wear makeup, it was go hard or go home. It was nothing simple. Now I feel like the days that I didn't wear makeup, I should have done something super simple like this, or at least didn't wear makeup at all, and just wore lashes. The days that I did wear makeup, I always looked super cute. Like my outfits were super cute, and the days that I didn't wear makeup, I would just be like wearing sweatpants, looking like a bum, like for the most part. Oh my goodness. So I'm just using a basic beauty supply, pencil. Something very basic. And I'm using honestly dried mascara brushes for my eyebrows. Nothing serious. Ain't no Anastasia Beverly Hills over here. Even if I did have money for it, I don't think I'll ever purchase something like that. Like, I feel like those kind of products are for people who don't have eyebrows. The shade of it all. Like, I don't need to do, I feel like people who already have brows, they just need to fill them in. They don't need to be spending $50 on products. I'm just saying. So I just got done finishing my brows and putting on the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser Primer. Actually, I didn't conceal my brows yet. I have to go run upstairs to get my concealer real quick. And also my spray bottle for my face. But yeah, I'll be back. And now your girl is back with the LA Girl Pro High Definition Concealer in medium beige. I'm gonna blend that down with, this is actually a lip brush, but I'm gonna use it for this concealer. I think it's good enough. Yes, this is a lip brush from Wish.com. I got it in a bundle for like $4 with a whole bunch of other brushes. Okay, I'm just blending that down because we're gonna need it for the eyeshadow. For an everyday simple look, you can either do no eyeshadow or just one shadow. You just gotta get another brush to like blend out the edges. But to do something real simple but cute, because you're gonna look cute regardless, just as long as you have some fly falsies on your face. I want to add concealer to my dark areas so I can look awake, I do commend all the girls who do wear makeup every day to class. because that was never me. I don't think that could still ever be me. And this is the same product pretty much. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer in the color orange. This is just a color corrector. I like the color corrector, this little mustache or whatever. Instead of using like an actual eye palette, I'm just gonna use a bronzer to put into my crease with these. I know this is a big ass brush, but I'm only using one shadow anyway, so no big deal. I'm just going to be using the 120 I guess eyeshadow blending brush by Beige Cosmetics. This is one of these brushes. So I'm going to take this bronzer from the light medium palette from LA Colors. It's the contouring palette, but this is the light medium one. I'm pretty much just patting it in. I'm not really swiping it or anything. Especially since I'm not trying to make a mess because it's already a huge brush. I don't really recommend people to use a big brush like this unless if they know they're only using one shadow. Then okay, whatever, do what you want. But I'm just doing this for now because for some reason I don't have any other brush in this little bag. All my other brushes are upstairs. I only carried a little bit down here because I knew that I wasn't doing anything crazy. Anywho, all we're gonna do is get this clean eyeshadow brush from, this is wish.com. It has no number, no nothing. It's just, I just got it from wish.com. I'm just gonna get a clean brush, and it's smaller. You see it's smaller and it's fluffier. The one that actually packed the shadow on is more dense. Keep that in mind. So this is just a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna blend out these edges. This is the Day Glow Instant Glow Powder by Milani. I'm going to put this into my inner corner right now. Nobody but me. Now I'm handling my business. Can I get a witness? Last time I wore this 155 foundation, it looked good on me with only one pump. That's weird though. Like only one pump looked good on me. Like the more I use of this foundation, the lighter it looked, I guess. So I'm going to use this 155 shade. It's in the warm cover, so we should be. Ooh. Wait, that actually does look really light. Hold on. See, this is exactly why this is going to be 30 minutes or less too, because I'm not concealing. I'm definitely not concealing my face. And all a female is about to do is put on some bronzer, put on her little contour, no concealer, none of that. Because, you know, that takes time. You gotta shoot. A lot of people, they wait for concealer to dry so it could be more, like more matte and more like full coverage. And before even setting it with powder, like translucent powder, you gotta friggin' blend that concealer out, and you gotta blend for days. You gotta blend. I kind of want to keep the browns all together. I like this brown look, so I think I'm going to just wear ColourPop's Limbo. Do I want to wear a lip pencil? No, I don't think I want to wear a lip pencil. So the base that I just did is a nice base for an everyday look, but I'm just doing this to my lips. I think because of the eyes and the lips, I look like a cute little... And that is it, guys. Ooh, bitch. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also share this video to my post notifications. And thanks for watching. I can slay for school. Like, wait, let me put on my glasses. And yeah, thanks for watching. Deuces.